Hey everyone! So, do you want to update your HyperX Cloud 3 wireless headset firmware? Maybe you heard there's a new update that improves performance, fixes bugs, or improves battery stability. Yeah. Keeping your headset updated is actually really important if you want the best sound and connection quality. In this video, I'll show you the newest method to update the HyperX Cloud 3 wireless in 2026, and the whole process only takes a few minutes. First, you need to download the official headset software from HyperX. This software allows your computer to detect the headset and install the latest firmware update. Once the file finishes downloading, open the installer and follow the setup instructions. The installation only takes a minute or two. Next, connect your HyperX Cloud 3 wireless headset to your computer using the USB cable or the wireless dongle. This allows the software to detect the headset. Now open the device software on your computer. Once it launches, it should automatically detect your headset. If a new firmware version is available, you'll see an update notification inside the software. Simply click the update button to start the firmware installation. During the update, don't disconnect your headset. The update process usually takes a few minutes, and your headset may restart automatically. Once the update is complete, restart your headset or reconnect the wireless dongle. Then test the audio to make sure everything works correctly. And that's it. Updating your HyperX Cloud 3 wireless headset only takes a few minutes and helps improve performance and stability. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more quick tech tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.